Hey my friends, this is Loli. Welcome to Loli D's Creations. Today is day one of the 12 Days of Christmas opening by collaboration, and we are doing ornaments. Let's go ahead with this first inspiration. I used one of these wood rounds that I got from a pack of 3 from Dollar Tree and this black furniture marker from Dollar Tree as well. And we're going to color in the inside of the ornament as you see right there. Then I took one of these poinsettias that I got from Dollar Tree and removing the little hanger twisty thingy there, and we're going to glue it to the center using some hot glue. Then I'm taking one of the jute cord hangers that came from the wood round and attaching it onto the ornament as you see there, but of course I'm going to burn off the fuzzies before to have this be nice and neat. Then I added the jute cord as you see there and knotted it at the top. Then I came in with some of these greenery or the spine pieces from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut a piece off to use with this. But I wasn't satisfied with the hanger, so I undid it, and I'm going to tie it as you see there against it, and then see there I knotted it twice. And then here I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue to the end at both pieces of the jute cord to create a nice, pointy edge, and I decided to add some beads to this. So I took one of these, I believe a black bead from some that I got in little packages from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to thread it right in there. And then I'm going to come in with a square bead that I also got from a reed from Dollar Tree. And then I tied my knot to hold them in place, and then I added a knot back in the top to hang this off of my tree. And that is it for this one. More of it in the final reveal. Friends, so this video is part of the 12 Days of Christmas opening by collaboration that is being hosted by Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY and Amanda from Molly Cole Creations. The link to their channels and the playlist will be linked in the description box below and also pinned in the comments. Make sure that you go on over and visit these talented ladies' channels and show them some love, and also go on to the playlist. Alright, for the next inspiration today, I'm going to be using one of these ornaments that I got from Dollar Tree. They are clear. And what I did is I just added some of my white paint to it, swirl it around, and let it dry overnight. So this is once it was dry. Now you're going to be embellishing it. For that, I used one of these window clings that I got from Dollar Tree, and we're going to use the beautiful gingerbread guy. I just place it as you see right there in the center, but the areas between the head and the hands were not laying straight, so I just made a little slit on those areas, and then that helped it overlap a little on each other and lay flat. Then I'm going to add some of this puzzle saver that I got from Dollar Tree all in the top of the window cling, going about a ½ inch outer from it as well, creating like a nice like a stain, or when water falls and you have a little puddle, like a puddle of this puzzle saver. Then I'm taking some of this confetti that I got during fall time at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use this rose gold color and sprinkle little pieces all on top of the puzzle saver to give this a little sparkle. My friends, I just want to take a quick moment to say thank you for clicking on my video. Thank you for watching. I hope you stayed through the entire video. And if you like what you see, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And if you do, make sure that you hit the notification bell so YouTube notifies you each time that I upload a new video. All these things are free and they mean the world to me. To my current subscribers, guys, thank you so much for everything you do. I truly appreciate all the love and support. I painted the cover with my rose gold, put a ribbon on it, and that's it. Let's go on over to the next DIY. I will be using one of these ornaments from Dollar Tree. They are the ones that look like a gingerbread man. And I'm going to just remove the tag off of it. And we're going to use one of these window clings or sticker pieces from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to add it right there at the very top of the gingerbread ornament. And we are going to paint it with some of this burnt amber. But then I realized I need to do Mod Podge first because otherwise it's going to scratch off. So I'm adding some Mod Podge to the bottom section there, trying to not get any onto the tag that I added or the sticker that I added. And once that Mod Podge dried, I'm going to come back in and painted with 2 different coats of that burnt amber from apple barrel. I'm always forgetting steps, guys. I don't know what's the matter with me sometimes. But anyway, I caught it in time. All right, so now we are going to come back in with the apple barrel paint, give it 2 coats and let it dry. I added a ribbon hanger, and that is it for this one. Let's head on over to the next inspiration. For this one, I'm going to be using one of these clear ornaments from Dollar Tree, the bigger ones. And I'm going to remove that cap and take some of this garland from Dollar Tree, buffalo check, and just stuff the whole thing right inside of it. And this is what it's looking like so far. Look how cute. But I'm not done yet. Then I'm gonna just take some of this chalkboard paint from Dollar Tree and paint the cover of the ornament with it with 2 coats. And then we're gonna reposition it right back onto our ornament. And this is what it's looking like so far. It's cute, but I'm not done still. I'm going to take some, I believe it was crimson from Waverly, and I'm going to write on it. I'm gonna use this color to make the word joy. Actually, I just use it for the J and for the Y. I have other plans for the O. I set it aside for a little bit for the letters to dry, and then we're gonna work on the O. For the O, I'm gonna use one of these ties from Dollar Tree. So I just created like a little wreath and just wrapped it as you see there in circles, making sure to have it nice and round. And I'm going to use the excess that I left on the end and wrap it around to tie it all together into place. I cut off the excess that I no longer needed, and now we're gonna give this a little haircut. I'm just cutting it down to be able to have that all nicely designed, outlined. You know what I mean. All right, now I'm going to clean up real quick, and we are going to attach that little wreath to the ornament. I use a roll of masking tape to hold my ball in place so I can do this. And right there with a little bit of hot glue, I added the O, and look how cute that's looking. Now, I'm not done yet though. I'm going to add a little bit more to the very top here. First I was going to use that, and I said no, it's not looking very cute. So I'm going to take one of these pine pieces from Dollar Tree. These guys are my favorite for Christmas. I really need to restock again when they come out. I racked up last year right after the season, so I have some left, but I'm going to be using it a lot apparently because I love it. All right, so I cut the 2 pieces there as you see it. I'm going to glue them together as in the top there using some hot glue. Then I took some berries. Oh, never mind. I'm doing the hanger first. I took some of this buffalo check ribbon, and I'm going to just thread it through the hanger hole, do a little knot, and that is it for the hanger. And of course, I cinched the edges so this wouldn't unravel. And look how cute that's looking, but I'm not done. I need to add my berries. Took some of these berries from Dollar Tree. I removed the little wire that it came with, and I'm going to just add it to the very top there. I wish I had a third one. I didn't have a third one, so I just added 2. So it still looks cute though. All right, this is it for this one. For the next inspiration for today, I'm gonna use another ornament from Dollar Tree. But this one is a clear one of those flat ones. I did not paint it. Instead, I'm going to remove that hanger, and I'm going to add a nice amount of the puzzle saver from Dollar Tree onto it, and I'm going to swirl it around as if I was trying to paint it. I love this technique because it dries completely clear. Mod Podge usually has a film to it. Then I took that confetti piece that you see right there on the side. I'm going to use the blue color, and we are going to add it into this. I want to just add it to some places. I don't want the whole thing to be covered. I just want it to look like a little frozen piece. So I was satisfied. No, never mind. I guess I wasn't. I shaked it up a little bit. So I had some in the background as well. Put in the excess that stayed at the end. And this is what it was looking like. Now we're going to take one of these icicle ornaments from Dollar Tree, and we're going to glue it in that right-hand corner as you see right there. This came out so cute. It reminds me of the movie Frozen. All right, so here we're going to reposition the hanger. This is after I let it dry overnight. And we are going to just switch out that hanger. You see that thread? I remove that thread, and I'm going to put instead a piece of blue ribbon from Dollar Tree. And that is it for this one. More in the final reveal. For the next inspiration piece, we are going to use one of these snowflakes from Dollar Tree. I'm going to just go ahead and take some of my silver folk art paint and give it a coat. It didn't quite give me the coverage I was looking for, so I came back in using one of these paint markers from Dollar Tree and gave it another coat. Then I came in with one of these icicle pieces from Dollar Tree, and we are going to remove the little piece of foam that comes in the back of it and attach it to our snowflake using a little bit of hot glue. And then we added a hanger using this ribbon, or actually like a twine kind of piece of ribbon from Dollar Tree. We're going to put a little bit of hot glue in the tip to be able to thread it through the whole of the ornament and make this our hanger. Friends, I apologize that my voice keeps going in and out. I am homesick with the URI. Alright friends, as you see there, I just tied a knot and I have my beautiful ornament. More of it in the final reveal. For our next inspiration for today, we're going to use one of these large ornaments from Dollar Tree once again. I removed the cover from it, and we're going to use some more of the puzzle saver from Dollar Tree. And we're going to swirl it around as we did with the previous one, and making sure to have it nice on some of the walls as well. And here I'm just removing the excess, putting it into a small cup, and now we're going to use one of these confetti from Dollar Tree. I'm using this iridescent one that I got. I believe that was at fall time. And I just want to give this a look of frost. I'm just adding a little bit and shaking it around. I don't want it to be like completely covering the sides. I just want it to look pretty random. Once I was happy with that, I set it aside to dry. Actually, no, I'm adding some of the silver as well to bring out some more sparkle out of that color. And then I set it aside to dry. Then I took one of these small silver trees from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add some hot glue to the base of it and carefully put it through the opening of the ornament, having a little, I don't know how you call that thing again, a pinza, tweezers to help me get all the way down and put it nice and center, and then I reposition my hanger. You will see it again in the final reveal, but first I want to say a quick thank you to these beautiful ladies for creating this playlist for the 12 days of Christmas. Thank you so much, Brenda and Amanda. This is a fun collaboration, and we will be back tomorrow with some tabletop decor. See you there. All right, my friends, the final reveal. Don't forget to let me know which one of these is your favorite. My friends, as always, thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, be a blessing, and craft responsibly. And if you would like to follow me on social media, here are my social media links. And don't forget to visit my friends in the playlist. If you would like to watch some more of my videos, here's a suggestion, and you are more than welcome to binge away with this playlist as well. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. You're amazing. Bye.